Hey everyone, this is Landon with the Dent Connection, and I've got my latest project in here. It's a 2016 Toyota Tacoma, and it's got some pretty good dents right in here on the bottom of the door, pretty good sized little crease right here on the top of the door, and it has another dent right up here in the fender. And I'll bring you in closer so you can kind of check out the dent beforehand so you know what I'm working on. But we're going to be doing a little paintless dent repair, so I'm just going to try to show you what we're doing and educate you a little bit more on how paintless dent repair works and how it could help you with your car or truck. Well guys, we got this Toyota Tacoma all fixed up. Looks really good, as you probably saw in the video. If you'd like to learn more about paintless dent repair and how it can help your car or truck, give us a call. My name's Landon. We're at 830-660-0580, and you can visit our website at dentconnection.com and check us out on Instagram. Thanks for watching.